Hey guys, hopefully you just read the directions at the top of the screen. Real quick, I just want to show you how you're supposed to get your 2 comments or responses or highlighting in before the end of the week. So first things first, you will notice I've already highlighted text. You can click on it. This is from an assignment before spring break. I just want to kind of show you how 2 students responded to my notes. Sorry, I'm putting you guys out there, but you guys did a good job. So I wanted to model what you were supposed to do. So I put a comment about Faber being a coward, and then we have Erin and Rona both commented on this in response to it, where they gave their own opinions and backed it up with information from the story. I love how Rona then came in and said that she agreed with Erin, but then expanded on it. This is the stuff I want you guys to do. Don't just be like, thumbs up, sounds great, or like, yup, totally agree. Like, explain why. You have to do this at least twice. If you don't want to respond to me or you don't want to respond to a friend, that's fine. What you'll do instead is find something significant in the text or something you have a strong feeling about. You'll click, I don't know why it's doing that. You'll click highlight and take note. And then you can type in your response to it so that you don't actually have to engage with the other students or me, but your comment should be significant. It shouldn't just be like, oh my God, like, guy's an idiot. Tell me why he's an idiot. You can say he's an idiot, but you need to explain why. So I hope this helped you guys. I really want you to do this at least twice before the end of the week. It should take you like 5 minutes, especially because most of my comments on your assignment for this week are guiding questions that help you dig deeper into the text. All right. Good luck, guys. I will talk to you later.